Alright, so this question was a past IB problem. So part A, it says show that log base 9 cos 2x plus 2 is equal to log base 3 root of cos 2x plus 2. So like, first things first, we want to try and make it, to show that question that it should equal log base 3. So we can start off by just writing log 9 cos 2x plus 2. And then this we can, because we want the base in 3, so we'll try and make it 3. So we use a change of base, I think, so we can make it base 3, so log 3. So this one will go on the top, cos 2x plus 2 over, this is the change of base rule for logs, and then this number. So this one goes here, and then this 9 would come up here. So then we get, so we'll just rewrite cos 2x plus 2 over, now, so log 3 of 9, that is, it's in itself 2. So then really after this step, it's kind of obvious now. You can just log base 3, and then because there's a half at the front, this is 1 over 2, secret 1, so this 1 over 2 is a half. So then you can, that rule where it would become the power for this one, so it would be cos 2x plus 2. So that's part A, if you see the question. That's should be 3 marks. And then the next part, hence, or otherwise solve log 3 base 3 2 sine x equals log base 9 cos 2x plus 2. And then this is the interval for x. So I think we can build on from this. So, and even if you didn't get part A, you can use the answer from part A. So then we get, so this equals this, but we proved before in the other question that this is equal to this, as you can see. This is that, so you can just reuse that. Log base 3 cos 2x plus 2 equals, now you got the log base 3 2 sine x. Now because they're both the same log base 3, you can sort of imagine these getting cancelled, and then you have square root cos 2x plus 2 equals 2 sine x. Yeah, so this is how it would be after this. Now one thing you could do, you could square both sides. I think that seems like the right thing to do, but there's many different methods you could choose. This is just to remove that root. So plus 2 equals, this would just become 4 sine squared x. And then we know that this in itself, it has its own identity. Sorry, so I just had to bring in these formulas from the IB booklet. So yeah, just so you know, so there's different versions of cos 2x. So then we want everything in terms of sine, so we have this one. You have 1 minus 2 sine squared x plus 2. Like this red is basically that. Equals 4 sine squared x. And then just bring it, I think, everything nicely to one side. You will get, I guess, negative 6 sine square root x plus 3 equals 0. Then what you could do here is, so now we're solving just for x, and remember the interval from the start is pi to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2. So then, yeah, first thing I'd do is just try and make it on one side, like equal to each other. So we're just gonna equals minus 3. We'll just subtract 3. We just did it on one side first, so then we know what we have. Then you can, so these would cancel. You can divide 6 both sides. So you get sine squared x equals half. That's a nice ratio. Then we, root both sides. This also is a nice ratio, so that you get sine x equals plus minus. So square root 1 root 2. So it can be plus or minus root 2. Yeah. So then we know that 1 over root 2 is always going to be 45, so pi over 4 degree, so 45 degrees, or pi over 4 in radians. And because it's from, so I can just draw the unit. It has to be somewhere here, so we're looking for this one, that value. So if we were to try it with the negative, we'd get it in this area, which we'd get it, so this would be for the negative value, we'd get it here, which we're not looking to get. We're looking for only the positive value. So that would be in this one. So then you kind of know that sine x, and this is only because the range is from 0 to pi over 2. If it was anything else, then I would have not done it this way. But so we know it's like this. So we know x would be pi over 4. That's the answer. And yeah, usually there would be another answer on this side here, but it's way out of our range, so we don't want to focus on that. And with the negative, it's in the bottom here, so it could be, this would be negative 45, but we're not looking, negative pi over 4, we're not looking for that. So we just focus on this one, this yellow one. So that would be, yeah, this is it's pi over 4, yeah. So you should be getting, then with this one, total 8 marks.